Hello, my name is Benjamin Hall. This is the recording for the cloud computing assignment for the Emerging Information Technology course this semester. I'm just going to go over a little bit about Microsoft Azure and its virtual machines and storage accounts. I wanted to touch a little bit on the SQL databases, but it's a bit more complicated, and I don't think 5 minutes really allows me to go into that. So anyways, I've already created my virtual machine. I'm not going to go through how to exactly create one. There is a step-by-step guide right here on the Microsoft Azure website that tells you exactly how to do it. I did create a Linux version. I'm just more comfortable with a Linux virtual machine than I am with a Windows virtual machine. And then down here in this corner of the screen, this is the Azure Cloud Shell. It's basically just like command prompt, but it's provided through Microsoft and their Azure Cloud. So anyways, let's go into my virtual machine. Here it is. You can just kind of see some overview statistics about, kind of what's going on, CPU usage, the network, and all that good stuff. We're going to go ahead and connect. We're going to connect through SSH. You can do this with any client, such as like PuTTY. But we're just going to do it right here in their shell that they provide for us. And it's super easy how to connect. All you do is you just copy this little command here and you just type in SSH space and then you just paste your username and your IP address. And boom, there it is. Welcome to Ubuntu. I am in my virtual machine now. I'm going to go ahead and clear all that out. And just to show you that I actually am in my virtual machine, I'm going to go ahead and pop up a couple things here. So this one right here, this is Hera 2. This is provided by WKU. And I am currently in my account there. As you see, ls is just a command to show you sort of what files are in here. And this is the Microsoft one that's provided on my computer. And I'm going to go ahead and type in tree here. And as you can see, this all it does is it sort of just goes through. I'm not in an admin prompt, so it just sort of shows me my C drive, my documents, my desktop, and all that good stuff. Just sort of shows all of my files that are generally used by your common user. And then if I do that in here in my virtual machine, all that's in there is a new folder, which I created the other day. So I'm going to go ahead and change directory to that new folder and run the ls again. There is just a simple C program in there. It's the hello world, sort of your standard practice sort of C program. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you that. Vim just lets you sort of edit what's in there, but I just wanted to show you that that's there. And if I did that in here, vim hello world.c, it's just going to throw an error, and it'll even, well, no, it won't throw me an error in there. It'll actually let me create there, so we're not going to do that. Anyways, let's get out of this. And I have already downloaded GCC to compile it, so it is already compiled, and we'll go ahead and run it real quick. Hello world, boom, it outputs hello world. Now, if I did that in here, and I tried to do hello world and run that, it is going to give an error because there's no such file directory inside of Hera 2. And the same thing's going to happen up here in command prompt. Okay, so I believe that is all just to show you that I'm actually in a virtual machine and not just, on my computer. So we're going to go back, we're going to go to our storage accounts over here. So I created this one. This is my resource group. Microsoft Azure is a bit weird. They sort of call their stuff blobs. So I have a couple blob containers in here. And as you can see, it's already got some stuff in there. We can view it. It's just, the command prompt thing there. And this is just some sort of diagnostics report that they provide for you. So I don't need to know anything about that, but I could, if I wanted to, I could download this from my storage. We can go ahead. Let me see if it'll let me download this one. Well, it just pops up in a different window. But anyways, what we could do instead is we could actually upload a file from my actual computer here. So let's go into screenshots. So we're going to go upload. We're going to select a file here. And we'll just choose this Gantt chart screenshot that I took the other day for a different class. We're going to upload it. And now, as you can see, it uploaded successfully, and we can actually go and look at that now. And there it is. And as you can see, the path to it is my resource blob and not my actual computer, because we can open it up here, and then we can, well, we can just look at the properties there. And as you can see, it's in my C users, Ben Hall, pictures, screenshots, and that is definitely not where it is when I uploaded it onto the Microsoft Azure storage space that they provide me. All right. I believe that is about it. Like I said, I really wish I could have done the SQL database, but I don't think 5 minutes was long enough. Anyways, thank you very much.